Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Cricut Tools Essential is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable sets for any crafter looking to elevate their projects, offering a comprehensive collection of high-quality tools designed to handle everything from intricate weeding and precise scoring to effortless material transfer and cleanup, ensuring that every step of your creative process is smoother and more professional, ultimately allowing you to achieve stunning results with greater ease and efficiency. Number 5. Cricut Basic Tools Set, 5-Piece Mint. Handle your DIY projects with precision and expertise using this essential 5-piece tool set. It allows you to lift, snip, burnish, and weed your favorite paper crafts, making crafting enjoyable anywhere. This comprehensive set includes a spatula, weeder, scraper, scissors, and tweezers. It's the perfect craft kit for stylish and easy DIY projects, offering everything you need in one convenient place. Whether you're creating iron-on decor, organizing labels, cardstock masterpieces, or vinyl decals, these tools bring all your crafty ideas to life. They provide a smooth and premium crafting experience. Designed as a great companion for your cutting machines, this compact and lightweight tool kit helps bring your creative inspirations to life. It's perfect for personal projects or small business ventures. Unlock unimaginable possibilities for any art lover with this versatile kit. It's ideal for a wide range of innovative sessions, from cutting and painting to jewelry making and beyond. What we like? This set provides all the essentials for lifting, snipping, and weeding. If you are just starting out with your Cricut machine or need a reliable basic kit for everyday projects, this is a fantastic choice. It offers a great balance of functionality and value for a wide range of crafting needs. What people say? This set has all the essential tools for Cricut crafting. The tools are well made and feel durable. It's a great value for the number of tools included. Number 4. Cricut Basic Tool Set. Unleash your creativity with this essential 5-piece tool set. It includes everything you need for lifting, snipping, burnishing, and weeding. Whether you're working with vinyl, paper, or iron-on projects, these tools are designed to handle it all with ease. This comprehensive set comes with a spatula, weeder, scraper, scissors, and tweezers, all packaged conveniently. Enhance your crafting experience. These tools are the perfect companion for all your Cricut cutting machines. Make your crafting process smoother and more enjoyable. These tools are designed to help you achieve professional results every time. What we like? This is a classic 5-piece set with a fun multicolor twist. If you appreciate a bit of color in your craft space and need the fundamental tools for vinyl, paper, and iron-on projects, this set is perfect for you. It's a great companion for any Cricut cutting machine. What people say? The scissors are perfectly sharp and pointed for fussy cutting. I use the scraper to smooth out the edges after I glue. The spatula works wonders on releasing the glue that has dried. Each piece feels sturdy and comfortable to use, with sharp edges and precise tips that help with detailed work. The tools work especially well for vinyl and cardstock projects, making it simple to weed out tiny pieces or lift designs without damaging them. Each tool is well crafted with precision and durability in mind. The set includes a weeder, spatula, scraper, scissors, and tweezers, all of which are essential for various crafting tasks such as weeding vinyl, transferring delicate designs, smoothing materials, trimming, and more. The ergonomic design of the tools ensures comfortable handling and ease of use, making them suitable for crafters of all skill levels. Number 3. TWEEXY Craft Vinyl Weeding Scrap Collector Ring, Ice. Tired of sticky vinyl messes cluttering your workspace? This innovative tool makes cleanup effortless. Simply drag your vinyl scraps through the slits, and let it collect your waste conveniently. Designed for comfort, this tool fits any finger size without pinching. Its soft-to-the-touch silicone will impress any crafter, providing a secure and comfortable fit. Keep your workstation spotless by cleaning as you create. The vents push scraps off your pick and into the collector, keeping them contained until you're done. Say goodbye to messy tape solutions. This tool offers a non-stick surface for your scraps to gather, preventing further mess and organizing your waste. When you're finished with a section or your entire project, enjoy easy cleanup. Remove all collected slivers in one piece, saving you time and hassle. What we like? Tired of vinyl scraps cluttering your workspace? This ring collector is designed to keep your area tidy as you work. If you frequently work with vinyl and hate the mess, This is a must-have accessory to maintain a spotless crafting station. It's comfortable and efficient for continuous weeding. What people say. The Cricut Tools Essential set includes a variety of tools that are very useful for crafting. The tools are well made and durable, making them a great investment for any crafter. This set is perfect for beginners who are just starting with Cricut machines. Number 2. Cricut Essential Tool Set, 7-Piece Crafting Kit. Handle your DIY art and craft projects with precision and expertise. This 7-piece set allows you to slice, snip, score, weed, burnish, and trim a wide variety of materials effortlessly. This set of accessories comes with everything you need in one place. It's handy, user-friendly, and includes a portable trimmer, scoring stylus, weeder, scraper, scissors, and tweezers. From DIYs and iron-on decor to cardstock masterpieces and vinyl decals, these tools bring all your crafty ideas to life. They offer a smooth, sturdy, and premium experience for any project. This compact and lightweight tool kit is a great companion for your cutting machine. It helps bring your creative inspirations to life, whether you're crafting for yourself or for a small business. This kit opens unimaginable and endless possibilities for any art lover. It can be used for various innovative and funky sessions, from cutting and painting to jewelry making. What we like. This expanded set offers even more precision with the inclusion of a portable trimmer and scoring stylus. If you're looking to elevate your crafting by adding scoring and precise trimming to your repertoire, this is the kit for you. It's ideal for those who tackle more detailed projects and want a comprehensive tool set. What people say. This set has all the essential tools for Cricut projects. The tools are well made and durable, perfect for various crafting needs. It includes a scraper, tweezers, weeding tool, scissors, and a spatula, covering most common tasks. Number 1. iVyne Berry Vinyl Weeding Scrap Collector, Pink. Introducing the iVyne Berry, your ultimate companion for vinyl weeding. Its patented design makes the entire process easy and enjoyable for all crafters. This versatile tool works with all your favorite vinyl weeding sets and accessories. It's the perfect addition to your crafting toolkit, no matter your brand. Experience strong suction that keeps it in place on almost any surface for hours. It's designed to assist you through even the toughest weeding projects. Crafted from soft silicone, it gently protects your delicate weeding tools from damage and scratches. This ensures both the tools and the collector last a long time. Our lightweight collector is travel compatible, easily fitting into any bag. Now you can weed anywhere, indoors or outdoors, with complete convenience. Effortlessly dispose of scrap vinyl waste with its innovative slit design. Keep your workspace clean and organized while you create. What we like. This innovative collector features a strong suction base to keep it in place and a unique opening for easy tool cleaning. If you need a reliable and portable solution for managing vinyl scraps, especially during travel or on various surfaces, this is an excellent option. It ensures your weeding process is smooth and your tools are protected. What people say. It has a suction cup on the bottom which sticks well to surfaces, making the weeding process easy. The slits are sturdy enough to let the vinyl come off the weeding tool quick and easy. Equipped with a suction cup that adheres to various surfaces such as wood, glass, and plastic, ensuring stability during use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.